everyone, so I've got my HDMI transmitter here. It's super easy to use and carry. This is actually just a way to hold these up. That way they're always staying together. And then when you're ready to use them, you just pull them apart. This does not serve as any other use other than to hold your Type-C connector just like that. So what it does come with, we've got a transmitter and a receiver. This is labeled TX for transmitter, RX for receiver. Also, it comes with a power cord. Your receiver is always going to need to be powered. So what you're going to do is right here on the side, you're going to plug that in, and then you'll just plug this into a 5-volt source. For this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug this into a power bank and just show you how that works. Also, it does come with a short HDMI cord. So the way this works is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take my monitor. It's HDMI. Go ahead and plug that in here. Just like that. There's a light on in there, a light there, and when it comes up, it's going to give you two methods that you can go ahead and use to go ahead and connect everything. Next thing we're going to do, for instance, I've got a tablet right here. This is how quick it works. You just plug it in, the light comes on, it means it's powered, and it's going to go ahead and transmit the signal over to my monitor. And then there you go. That probably takes right around 30 seconds or so. So you can see there's not much latency at all. As soon as I swipe it, it's all there. Now these are great for if you're using it, maybe you want to put this on your phone and show an image up to maybe a TV screen, or maybe you're in a meeting. These are good for phones, tablet, laptops. You can do mirror mode or extend mode. Now both units do have a button on here. When you press this button here, what it's going to do is just turn the power off to the monitor. This button over here is going to flip the picture. You can either do portrait or landscape mode, depending on how your monitor is set up. But it's real simple to use, easy to connect, and I hope you found this review helpful.